Did you know that eating lemon with cucumber could actually harm your health? Lemons, one of the world's top sources of vitamin C, are incredibly beneficial when paired with the right foods. However, even a nutritious food like lemon or cucumber needs to be consumed correctly to be beneficial to your body. Eating them together can potentially lead to adverse health effects, including increased risks of cancer and dementia. So, I have prepared this information for you to prevent disease. I will tell you about 3 foods that pair worst with lemon and 3 foods that pair best with it. Everyone, what if there was a food that was great for detoxifying your body, boosting your immune system, improving skin health, and even aiding in digestion? What if it also prevented aging and kept you young? Even if it was expensive and didn't taste good, you'd definitely want to find and eat it, right? The food I'm going to introduce today is delicious and, moreover, it is affordable, making it cost-effective. Today's star is called a divine blessing, lemon. Recently, it has been reported that lemon is good for brain health and is being developed as a preventive treatment for brain damage. In fact, just smelling lemon can boost cognitive abilities and concentration more than any brain health exercise, proving it to be highly effective in preventing brain damage even just with lemon scent. But did you know that even a healthy food like lemon can be harmful to your health if eaten with certain foods? Now let's find out together the 3 worst food combinations with lemon that can hinder disease prevention and increase the risk of cancer and dementia, and the 3 best combinations for optimal health benefits. Attention! First worst food never combine with lemon is milk. The acidity of lemon can cause milk to curdle, leading to digestive issues such as stomach discomfort and bloating. This curdling effect occurs because the acidic lemon juice causes the milk proteins to denature and separate, making it difficult for the stomach to process. Although the curdling itself does not directly cause cancer, there are potential indirect effects. When milk curdles, it may lead to poor digestion and nutrient absorption. Over time, poor digestion and chronic digestive discomfort can contribute to gastrointestinal issues. Additionally, consuming foods that frequently cause digestive distress can lead to inflammation, which is a known risk factor for various diseases, including cancer. Furthermore, any irritation or chronic inflammation in the digestive tract can increase the risk of developing conditions that may lead to cancer over time. Second worst food never combine with lemon is seafood. Adding lemon to seafood, especially shellfish, is a popular culinary choice, but it comes with several potential side effects and considerations. The high acidity of lemon juice can cause acid reflux or heartburn in individuals sensitive to acidic foods. Although rare, citrus allergies can trigger symptoms like itching, swelling, and difficulty breathing. Additionally, the acidity may cause oral sensitivity, particularly if there are existing cuts, sores, or dental issues. Lemon juice can also interact with certain medications, potentially affecting their efficacy, especially antibiotics and other prescription drugs. Handling lemon juice followed by sun exposure can lead to phytophotodermatitis, causing skin irritation and discoloration. Furthermore, some people might experience digestive discomfort, such as bloating, gas, or stomach cramps, from the combination of lemon juice and shellfish. It's also worth noting that while lemon itself is not associated with causing cancer, some studies suggest that excessive consumption of highly acidic foods over a long period could potentially contribute to conditions that may increase cancer risk, such as chronic acid reflux or Barrett's esophagus. Third and last worst food never combine with lemon is sugary beverages. Adding lemon to sugary beverages can cause a spike in blood sugar levels and may contribute to metabolic problems. The combination of lemon's acidity with the high sugar content can enhance the negative effects of sugar, leading to an increased risk of insulin resistance and obesity. Over time, this can elevate the risk of developing chronic diseases such as type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and potentially cancer. Excessive sugar intake has been linked to increased cancer risk due to its role in promoting inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. Additionally, high sugar consumption can contribute to cognitive decline, increasing the risk of dementia. While lemon itself is healthy, adding it to sugary beverages can amplify the adverse health effects associated with excessive sugar consumption. For optimal health, it's best to consume lemon with water or unsweetened beverages. Drinking lemon water is a great way to start your day, as it helps hydrate your body, aids in digestion, and boosts your immune system. The vitamin C in lemon improves skin health and supports detoxification by enhancing liver function. Additionally, lemon water can help balance pH levels, promote weight loss, and provide a refreshing alternative to sugary drinks. Regular consumption of lemon water can also contribute to better overall health and well-being. Second best food combination with lemon is spinach. Adding lemon juice to spinach enhances your body's absorption of iron from the spinach, making it an excellent choice for improving iron levels, boosting energy, and enhancing overall nutrient intake. The vitamin C in lemon facilitates the absorption of non-heme iron found in plant-based foods like spinach, making this combination a nutritional powerhouse that supports optimal health and vitality. Third and last best pairing food with lemon is ginger. Pairing lemon with ginger can have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. This combination is excellent for boosting metabolism, reducing nausea, and improving digestion. The combination of these two powerful ingredients can also help in relieving cold and flu symptoms.